Welcome students. Dear students, in this session, I would like to share questions on heat and thermodynamics. Here in this video, I am going to brief some questions regarding heat and thermodynamics from previous year examination question papers. Means 2 marks question and 4 marks questions. Let us see the 2 mark questions on thermodynamics, which you have already seen in the previous videos regarding thermodynamics. Here, these 2 marks questions are framed in the part A, section A. Here in this part, you have to answer any 7 questions out of 9. Each carries 2 marks. And part B contains 4 marks questions. You have to answer any 6 out of 8 questions. Each carries 4 marks. And final part, third part, section C, problematic part. That means it contains only the problem sections, problems. Each carries 3 marks. Here, out of 6, you have to answer only the 4 problems. Each carries 3 marks. Let us see the 2 marks questions on thermodynamics. That means first unit. First question is state and explain first law of thermodynamics. For this one, you have to answer, first write down the statement of the first law of thermodynamics and brief it out. Just you briefly explain the first law of thermodynamics in a paragraph. Each carries 1 marks. Second question is show that adiabatic elasticity of gas is gamma times isothermal elasticity. For this one, you should derive isothermal elasticity and adiabatic elasticity. You have got 2 equations, isoelasticity and adiabatic elasticity, and equate them. Finally, you got adiabatic elasticity is equal to gamma times of isothermal elasticity. It carries 2 marks. Third question is distinguish between isothermal and adiabatic process. For this question, you can refer the second video lecture. Here for this one, for difference between isothermal and adiabatic process, you should write a minimum 4 steps, 4 differences, at least 4 differences. There are 6 to 8 differences are there. At least you should write 4 differences. What is isothermal and what is adiabatic, and write the equations for isothermal and adiabatic. That means PV is equal to constant for isothermal and PV to the power gamma is equal to constant for adiabatic. Isothermal is slow process, adiabatic is sudden process, and like this. Next question is state and explain second law of thermodynamics. For this one, you write the statement, it carries 1 marks, and explanation of second law of thermodynamics carries 1 marks. Next question is write Clausius and Kelvin statements of second law of thermodynamics. For this one, you have to write 2 statements, Clausius statement and Kelvin statement. Each statement carries 1 marks. You don't explain all the things, just you write the statements of each. Next question is mention the expressions for work done during isothermal and adiabatic process. Here he asked only the mention, the expressions. For work done of isothermal, you write down the work done formula. For adiabatic also you have to write the work done formula. Here. Each carries 1 marks. Total 2 marks. Next question is draw labeled PV diagram for Carnot cycle. You just write down the PV diagram of Carnot cycle and label it. That means isothermal expansion, isothermal compression, adiabatic expansion, adiabatic compression, like this. You have to mention it. Then it carries 2 marks. Next question is discuss the effect of pressure on boiling point of water using Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Here you should write you should write application. That means this answer for this question will be appear in the last video session. That means Clausius-Clapeyron equation. In that video, I discussed about these points, boiling point and melting point. Just write down the effect of pressure on the boiling point of water and with example. That carries 2 marks. Next question is can two isothermal intersect? Explain. Can two isothermals intersect? Explain. You write down yes or no. That carries 1 mark and explain it. Next question is obtain an expression for work done in isothermal process. Here the same question is repeated here. Mention the expression here. Here he asked to obtain the expression. You should derive the expression for work done in isothermal process. That carries 2 marks. Like these are all questions appears in the previous semester examination question papers under Coimbatore University. Next one is long answer questions. That means each carries 4 marks. Here for first unit, that means for first chapter thermodynamics, there are more than 6 questions are there. I sorted only the 6 questions which are appears in the previous question papers. First one is state and prove Carnot's theorem. For this one you can write down the 2 statements and prove it by using reversible engine and irreversible engine diagram. Write down the diagram and prove it. That carries 4 marks. Next question is derive equation of state for an adiabatic process. Here you should derive the expression PV to the power gamma equals constant. Up to PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. That carries 4 marks. Next question is derive Clausius-Clapeyron latent equation. Discuss the effect of change of pressure on melting point and boiling point of liquid. For derivation of Clausius-Clapeyron, that carries 2 marks with the diagram, and effect of change of pressure carries 1 marks for melting point, and for boiling point carries 1 marks. Totally it carries 4 marks. Next question is what is an adiabatic process? Here first statement, what is an adiabatic? It is neither we enter the system nor leave the system. That is adiabatic process. And derive P, V and T relation for an adiabatic change. That means PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. Next one more equation is there, T V raised to gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Like this we should derive all the 3 equations for adiabatic. That carries 4 marks. Next question is show that PV to the power gamma is equal to constant in an adiabatic process. Here this question is same as that of 4th one. You should derive PV to the power gamma equals constant, the same as usual. Next question is state and explain thermodynamic scale of temperature. For this one you write by using heat engine concept. That means efficiency of Carnot engine by using the formula eta is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1 formula, that is equal to function f of theta 1 and theta 2. Like this, using that concept you have to derive thermodynamic scale of temperature. That carries 4 marks. Next, part C, third section contains the problems. Problem part will be discussed in the session 11th video. I already explained the problems regarding this unit, like thermodynamics. Go through that problem, and also you should refer to previous year question papers also. Thank you.